how you guys doing? So we just got back in from running a few errands, essential errands. We got our girl dog Chloe. She got groomed this morning, and first time after having her pups. And we went into Target and to grab some groceries. All right, so I thought I'll share a grocery haul with you guys, and let me show you a few things that I picked up off of Amazon. All right, you guys, so let me share one of the items that I found on Amazon. Really excited about this, and it's so nothing really exciting, but this is a collapsible bucket. I'm gonna use this around the house so I can, you know, have a bucket. I'm gonna clean my refrigerator out before I put these groceries away, and I'm gonna fill this up with hot soapy water and all that, and clean my refrigerator, and it's gonna make it so much easier. So this is how it is right here. And I also bought a collapsible laundry basket, same brand as well, so it'll be so easy to stow away when I'm not using it. That's was always my problem with having like buckets and all that stuff. I couldn't store it. I don't really have a linen closet here or any of my other like military homes that we had really. So anyways, yeah, so this is a little collapsible bucket, really inexpensive, probably like 10 bucks or something on Amazon, but it was well worth it. I know buckets only like $1, but the fact that we could just collapse it and it can go under my sink, or I can put it by my wash machine, love it. So yeah, thought I'll share that with you guys. Then ran into Target, and I'll show you just these few items from Target. I'm working over by my desk area, and I just need it, and I'm gonna be working with a company with a different time zone than where I live. So I originally saw this one. Actually, I have one from Walmart, but then I saw this one is way cuter. So this one, and this is in the dollar spot. I just put a battery in it, and so I'm gonna make me a little mini clock wall over by my desk area. So I thought I'll share that with you guys. Bath and Body Works is closed. Oh my gosh. This one is apple cinnamon, and I just grabbed it in Target. Just something to have here in the kitchen. Actually, let me cut the wick and burn it. Yeah, I'm gonna put the wick. This to the side, put it back here, and let it start burning and airing out this home. Let me show you some of the stuff. Of course, this is some tissue. This was the only pack that they had, which is a large family pack. Last one in Walmart. So I'm gonna make probably some stuffed bell peppers tomorrow, maybe for like lunch or so. So yeah, I got that. Some more cheese, bacon for our breakfast, and this little ham steak. I thought we can do this something different. Just some brats. I don't know. The kids, they're always wanting quick food to eat, so I just picked up some inexpensive chicken nuggets here. I just bought a pack of ground turkey, some yogurt, perfect, crackers, just so they can eat like cheese and crackers and stuff like that. You know how back in the day they had Lunchables. Just a big box of Frosty Flakes, and oh my gosh, we were going through so many loaves of bread. My daughter is absolutely obsessed with this multi-grain bread here. She just eats slices just by themselves, and these are for the house. I bought these out of Target. I was hungry. I hadn't had breakfast this morning, so this is all I've had this morning. Wheat thins and some coffee. So yeah, more stuff for the kids. Applesauce, eggs, mayo, and my son is absolutely obsessed with Miracle Whip, so he likes that. And just some good old eggs, half a gallon of chocolate and regular milk. I just always keep milk because when you cook, we really are almond milk drinkers now for like smoothies and all that stuff, but sometimes I still need regular milk to cook with. Here goes some more paper towels because I'm always wiping out my glass and mirrors and all that. This Dove soap smells so good. I usually get the normal Doves, but I wanted to try this pink one. Then here goes some air. What is this? It's a eliminator, so it's orange. Let's spray it. Smells awesome. Let's go spray here in my washroom by this door, since we always going in and out that room. Spray over here. And yeah, it's probably a little bit too much, but it smells so good. It smells just like oranges. I love it. I need to get some orange essential oil so I can place it into my diffuser. Okay, and then we drink pulp-free orange juice. And then I got some Moscato. I don't know if I tried this one, so I hear all the girls be raving about this cupcake stuff. So I saw it there, I'm trying it out. And then probably tomorrow, I'm gonna make some mimosas for brunch. So I ended up getting some pink Moscato champagne. I forgot how to make Moscato, so I'm gonna have to look that up. Here goes some almond milk. He picked this up for the dogs. She ate one after she got groomed. Here's some Minute Maid. Finally found some of this. This has been sold out at my Walmart for so long. And then just have some, oh, I saw this brand. I never heard of Earl Campbell's. I never heard of him, so I was gonna give it a go, but usually I purchase the hair shower foam. I got some chicken. What is this? Some Canadian bacon. It's some ground beef down here. It's 93 lean. That's gonna be for my stuffed ground peppers. What else is in here? Grapes, bell pepper, some butter, mushroom, and then this is chicken breast there. I think that's pretty much all of it. Oh, here goes another can of, just so they can put it upstairs in their bathroom. And then here's these little feminine wipes. I saw this, I don't know, I never tried it. It was only $3. Some dry shampoo. We'll see. I got some lotion, some Dove, some baby oil gel. Y'all, that's life. I never saw European butter, so I thought I'll give it a go. You guys know we were overseas, so I wanted to see if it was something like that. Some Vaseline and some jam. I'm gonna have to twist my daughter's hair back up into a protective style. And I had to get a loofah. I usually get my loofah out of Bath and Body Works, but of course they're not open right now, so I just had to get one because mine tore up last night in the shower. And another thing of almond milk, some creamer, some Great Value yogurt, some fries, and some chicken. Let me put the chicken over here. So that's it. This was about $200 and something for this grocery stuff. Like $230 for all this groceries. And then here goes some stuff out of Target. Some cute, look at this. Best day ever. I think I'll put this out for her graduation. I start picking up a few things, even if they don't have a graduation. We're still gonna just have like a little gathering, like another like, not Skype, Zoom type party. Pop the bubbles. Pop the bubbly, sorry. And love is sweet. So here goes. These are only $1. Some more of these. I am searching high and low for that little scrub pads that I used to get in Germany. I cannot locate any. This is actually like wedding stuff, but I'm a planner, so this is like stationary things. Who am I? Memories. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this, but thought it would be cute for something in my planner. Pernell found him a really nice sweatshirt. It's really soft, you guys. All in Motion. That's the brand. It was a little pricey though. It was like $30, but it's super soft. I wanted it for myself, but then somebody broke ours, so I just ended up just getting this. It was like $4. So that's it. I went to clean my nasty refrigerator. So I'm gonna empty it out and start cleaning my refrigerator. And we're
some time, but we pointed out that tomorrow isn't here right now, baby. An absent mind came to roam around, captured you in a foggy cloud, baby. Standing on my toes on the edge, I'm ready to go. See it clear when the shadows are lit, I'm ready to go.
what about to do is start a clean cycle with that. Let me go show you. Okay, so some of these letters are running out, but as you can see, it says tub clean. This is what I'm about to do, since no one's washing and it needs to be cleaned out. So go ahead and do a tub clean. I have some little tablets. I'm gonna just place it into the thing and push start, and then it will get clean that way. I'm gonna put this towel right here. So prior to me doing that, here you go down here and you drain the water out. It's like a little thing, you twist it, and some water may come out. Yeah, you see that? That's water that's in there, and that also, look at all that water. Hold on. This is also can cause your machine to smell as well, because it has a crazy odor right now as I'm draining this water. So I'm just getting, and look at all that water that's still backed up in here. So after I let that drain, I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna also add a little bleach inside the machine to get it cleaned out as well. So you can see all the water has pretty much drained out. Now I'm gonna twist it to close it back. Completely twist it until I can't twist it anymore. Okay, that's pretty secure, and then I'm gonna close this up, and then I'll clean these towels after. Or I can just use it and wipe down. Okay, and so now go ahead and start your cycle to clean your tub. Okay, you guys, what I'm trying to do is reconfigure this refrigerator out. It's so small, and it's so many of us that live here, and so it's just always a mess if I don't keep it organized.
I'm on the train headed back to Indiana. The rain is forming into rivers outside, writing down all the things that I miss, and in the letters you take form. No, I won't go back tonight with a habit to the restless me. I'm leaving all that stuff behind. We can start all over in our hometown, running free. It could be everything that we were chasing. I'm impatient just to see how you make everything fall into place. How you make everything fall into place. Don't you see?
so what you just saw us do was had to put this back on. Jordan, my son, was sticking a whole bunch of tissue in here, and for whatever reason it made the top of the front of the cabinet pull away. Again, we installed this over here, so this stuff is not perfect. So like when we move out of here, we'll take all of this stuff down because we purchased these cabinets and we put this little peel and stick towel. We had no idea what we were doing, so I mean, it's just here. It's extra storage, it's perfect. Paper towels, all the extra toilet paper, all of that goes here. So yeah, that's what we were doing. Just good thing it's our cabinets and not military housing cabinets. So we just got this, and then I need to fix these towels and make them back as neat as possible since they got pulled off whenever. I may take them off and just put some new ones, but again, this is just peel and stick towel. If we had to do it all over again, definitely we learned. So when we move probably into our new house and we redo it, we'll know how to lay it down, because you want to make sure you put the towels super close to each other so it's not like gaps and stuff. But again, it was trial. It was a quick, easy weekend project for us to add more storage here in our kitchen. Anyways, that's what happens, you know, quarantine, kids at home more. They just get sloppy and just shove stuff in places. That's that. And I am finally gonna probably place this picture up here on this wall because I'm just tired of it being down here. Has been stored down here beside the refrigerator. I was able to clean this out. I think some wine or some sticky residue was in here, so I'm gonna finish wiping down my baseboards, get all this trash up, and finish up, and we're almost done.
Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy.
So this is my project that I'm currently working on this seasoning, and get some measurements and see if I can go find something online. Look at that, cooking spray, all that. So I'm about to at least clear this side out so I can start measuring to get this organized. All right, you guys, so I am starting dinner.